Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 3941 of LeetCode, which is password strength. This question recently came in the weekly contest and I solved it there. So first I read the question, then the approach, then I will submit the code in C++. You are given a string password. The strength of the password is calculated based on the following rules. 1 point for lowercase character, 2 point for uppercase characters, 3 point for digits, 5 point for special characters, and point will be counted for only distinct characters. For example, if 3 A are there, only 1 A will be counted and only 1 point will be given, not 3 points. Each character contributes at most once, even if it appears multiple times. Return an integer denoting the strength of the password. So what we can do is, we can make 4 set as whenever we talk about the unique or distinct things, we think of set. We will create 4 set. One set for lowercase, one for uppercase, one for digit, and one for special characters. Okay, we will run a for loop. We will insert according to the case or digit or special character, and then we will return according to the points. So let's write the code in C++. So first we'll get the 4 sets. So 4 sets are created, one for uppercase character, one for lowercase, one for digits, and one for special characters. Or also here it is given that password consists of uppercase, lowercase, digits, and special characters from this only. So we don't have to worry about any other special characters. So let's run a for loop. If C is between small a and small z, so we will insert it in the lower. For the uppercase, it will be between capital A and capital Z. For the digits, it will be between 0 and 9. Or else it will be a special character. Alright, for this, and we have to give the strength of the password. So what we will do is, for the lowercase it is 1 point, so we can delegate lower dot size plus. For uppercase it is 2 points, so upper dot size into 2. For digit it is 3 points, and for special address it is 5 points. So this will answer. Let's run it. Otherwise I get some result. Spelling mistake. Let's run it. As you can see, both the test cases have been passed. I will write one more test case. So this is the test case. Alright, let's run it. Our own test case also got passed. Now let's submit the answer. Our answer got to 26 millisecond runtime and 17.9 MB of memory. So the time complexity of this question is O of n. as we are running one for loop. The space complexity will also be of n, although we are using multiple sets, but in total every set at the worst case scenario in total we'll have n characters, which is the size of the password. So if you like my explanation, subscribe to my channel and like this question and like this video. Thank you.